Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie in Minecraft. First, let's gather our 3 essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pumpkin, 1 sugar, and 1 egg. Pumpkins can be found growing naturally in various biomes like plains or taigas, or you can grow them from pumpkin seeds. Sugarcane grows near water, and you'll need to harvest it to make sugar. Finally, chickens will occasionally lay eggs for you to collect. Now that you have your ingredients, let's craft the pie. First, take 1 sugarcane block and place it into any slot in your crafting grid to create 1 sugar. Next, open your crafting table and place 1 pumpkin, 1 sugar, and 1 egg into any 3 slots. The arrangement doesn't matter for this recipe. This simple combination will instantly give you 1 fresh, delicious pumpkin pie. Once crafted, your pumpkin pie is ready to eat. Simply hold the pie in your hand and use it like any other food item. Each pumpkin pie will restore 8 hunger points, which is 4 full hunger icons on your hunger bar. This makes it a very efficient and satisfying food source for your adventures. Remember, the entire pie is consumed in one go. To ensure you always have pumpkin pie, consider setting up some automated farms. A pumpkin farm with pistons can provide a continuous supply. A sugarcane farm near a water source will give you endless sugar, and keeping a small pen of chickens will guarantee a steady stream of eggs. Pumpkin pie is a fantastic, easy-to-make food that's perfect for any adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.